Rexek Paymu war Bono East, Yera Jan. Good morning, Apom to say.
Adom, how are you?
Well, Nkoranzahen common army atonsa afro anope. So far, akosi say.
So far, by the grace of God, things are getting to normal.
How?
Yesterday there were some disturbances. We had a lot of problems. But
Yera Jan, me Brunio. You guys intimate Wadar Mesro, baby, I didn't know the Abia Joy from Mitchell.
Na and same baby or not problems. Elfem. But Janko Pondaroma, to me resolve near man baby, as you say. And omutume da Yakupon Adom Adiachi.
So as we speak now, Nkoranzahen mebununi na nanomati asese bibianko boko na yihwemu ni ebe ko hare so ana.
Yeah, say nananom ne mebuno atiasese ese ma hwehwe na yehu ni entra omode hye no.
But personally, utie account, utie post for account, utie bushia for account, utie mebunu account. Rexek Paymu, I know for sure you are bothered. Edia na abetimi aye or ahoden kakra okutanim. Said this issue will really be resolved and all parties to this issue will be very okay.
Yeah. You know the imagine you say for 80 of the people. Not even 15. Send you far the one or one thing. Now hold them
no, Mr. Mosamfre Minister because Minister ka say either say assistant and say the kasa no yentini me person because say and pay on encouraging. I don't know what's happening because yenti the kasa ni the minister sabre bi because also why you hono na more interest no yembra back
nanano any penifo me kasa Nkoranzahen nkura nko the whole country obi e watch it obi e tie I national issue. Na ebe resti, ebe mano adedi ni se. Ibi to me aye investigation no in a way a manner ubi abenyan hontiase. Na aye transparent. Na nokra no adedi.
Na Rexek Paymu unipo
Nkoranzahen na nanom ehwehwea no.
So as we speak now, only a post for any din koma and then it's na nkomo na omdi mu aye ba na se ye jema guo ye gusu ye hwemu die ni bi na mode be.
Or say investigation like this no and yet and then china aya eteki emre. Na even though eteki emre communication is very good. As these things are going on and say it to me ma information say ye drew her ye drew her well say it to me ya sa information in that communication no Emma mebunu ne say no sebe ebi ankasa niema yesi enra nka ansi.
Enti which of the narratives na efa nyadwuma say ye share ho ana post for fa na anajo ana okoe ana wamba biem ana say ye share no etutu say oye kromfo ana yakobo nitu ana yakunu ana ye share no ona ye de ne konkran no edu ye no na wawu ne na koto much which of the narratives na efa nyadwuma Rexek Paymu de na efa nyadwuma.
Oh, that is where the inconsistencies lie. Entina say Rexek what ye say investigation on the Bechere, what happened? Enra Rexek Yeshia information and say from the police, local police, report to Rexec. Information and say the guy was brought to the police station at 3 a.m. 3:30, he was taken out. And that is all what they know about him. And that's the only information that we have. We don't have anything more than that or less.
So the worry, therefore, is that 3:30, taken to where? And why never found?
No. Yes, police for that information.
Oh no, it's becoming Fachemi, Honorable Minister, and Rexec Fachemi is becoming a joke now because police station is just a normal place. It's a place of records. So clearly, if somebody is in the custody of the Ghana Police Service, not 3:30, police before releasing the Ama and the Ghana Police Service, Bono East, catch Ghana phone as of the time of release, 3:30 a.m., they didn't know who they released to.
And the discussion Rexec had with the Nananom and the youth and the information there is a counter-terrorist unit that this guy was released to. So here in Bron East and then the police in Bron East. That is the information that we have.
Well, I'll not fault you, but you should be very worried because
I'm very worried.
Yeah, I'm not sure this is what you want to hear, but forgive me because me so me free honum be tire basa apart from say me free me Ghana ni a edi hutu nipa no do so. Okay, can post for statement now. Ensem bebre and I also want some okay even with the information that you have. Ensem bebre. Nti matters of this sort, discussing it on this, because in classroom, honestly speaking, the reasons that they are assigning, we need to know a lot of things than the reasons that the police is giving, and then.
So the only thing, the only thing that will unearth all this thing is when there is an investigation into it. Speedy up.
Well, Ghana, who be paying? That's why we are bothered because you have investigation. Yes. Then the next time investigation, and once in 7 years, so or choir saba baby. People should be held responsible. Rexec and Kasa, because the police station is in Bono East. It's not outside your jurisdiction. So information to this nature, the police should be on top of this one. Make because police station, this one is going to take Ghana another 10 years to get to this point. I beg to differ. Mr. Minister, because I might go into other areas that might affect maybe your person and your administration. Thank you for your time as Rexec boss. At an appropriate time. These matters,
Obi this year na free. I investigate sir. And now machine obi cover obi ba. Sanses we no.
Yeah, we want to cover.
Mo bi anya na ntam investigation bo e chedodo.
Obi baba na to form sir.
Obi ba brand here kama. Anya say yibi amako ni fie ne mo akofa no. Ti ade na ma ni wu.
But sometimes the police why?
Mo bi anya na ntam. Mo me ade asem sukure. Obi this yo, ayo, ade na mo ko tojo mu aye kan it say
very far away from you.
Normal. Especially ane ma me di e training ene ne koye, okohwe ye, muso wonko no training station. Then obeti bi emi ase ne ba awu. Ade asemu ni, ene ye de ne kwa ha, ye wi ne de na ba headquarters. Ade.
Kwalan sem sa. Ye chini papa okuma. Ye timi du twa ho sales ahodo nyina e won kra.
Ade.
What for what reason?
Oh. Yes.
No more krokra say titium.
Oh, Debbie.
If I was in Nkoranzahen, this country Ghana is becoming something else.
Serious. Hard dream.
Dear Canana, the Odi Hong Kong, and Tienya Mopo, a war cratch and was some limudia. Now this COP, Papa.
Papa,
the other crater by. Oh. But I boy upon a necessary dear female. Akwasi for enti. Krata no de a taiba said the mukano na investigation. This time no. Ye fancy her not to say the course no. yen wo atweyem sesi ano yentimi mopo wasem nim se ye de nakosie anase wawu enti yen hwe na ye watweyem ne mo esasem no po busu amede si ha afei agokanse mu nsem ene de so a eba wakwam nti ye de empense mu no esi medin de ma metra diamond memu ache
yep